Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to put you an easy step-by-step guide on how to delete all emails in the Proton Mail app on iPhone. So to get started with the quick and honest guide on how to simply delete all mails in Proton Mail app. So the first thing to do is to launch the Proton Mail app on your iPhone, then sign in into your account. If not already logged in, just make sure you log in. Then after that, you have to go to the folder you want to clear. So tap on the menu icon, which is the free horizontal line or the folder icon. Then choose the folder, for example, the inbox, spam, or trash from the list. Then after that, you have to tap on the pencil icon or the edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Then this lets you select multiple emails. Then tap select all if available, or manually pick the checkbox next to each email. Then after that, tap on the trash can icon on to move the selected emails to the trash. Then after that, you have to go to the trash folder, then tap on edit, then select all, then tap trash can again to permanently delete all the emails. And that's how you can simply delete all emails in the Proton Mail app on iPhone. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.